Hey, what's up, guys? Kurt Tashy here, aka the Real Ninja Marketer with KurtTashy.com, and welcome to my InstantlyClaw review. Now, we're here inside the members area of InstantlyClaw, where we're going to be doing a full walkthrough and demo of the software. Now, basically, what InstantlyClaw is a software that allows you to set up a fully functioning OpenClaw AI system without the need for any extra hosting, any API setup, or any technical setup whatsoever. All done for you basically within just a few clicks. Okay? Now, I've also put together a pretty awesome bonus package for you to complement this product. And these are bonuses custom made by me to help you get the best results with the InstantlyClaw software. So first, you're going to be getting my AI Setup Simplified Guide, which is a $47 value, okay? And I'm just going to read off the page here of what I have written down. This bonus removes the common objection of complex setup by providing an easy-to-follow guide that accelerates your understanding and usage of the system, resulting in faster deployment and outcomes. Second, you're going to get my security and stability checklist. It's a $37 value. And as I have here, I said, by addressing security concerns, this checklist helps you feel more confident in your setup, thus removing objections related to data safety and stability, ultimately leading to quicker results. Data security is so important, especially in today's age, so that's really going to help you with your setup. You're going to get my Instant AI Income Blueprint, which is a $67 value. This is going to accelerate the earning process by providing you with strategies which motivate you to take immediate action and see results faster with your new AI setup. Finally, you're going to get my AI Income Generation Swipe File, which is a $57 value. This swipe file is going to provide you with ready-made resources that eliminate guesswork in income generation. It's going to allow you to quickly implement effective strategies and achieve results sooner. Okay? All of those are a total value of $208 in value for those bonuses. Now let's go into the members area, where we'll do a quick walkthrough, and then I'm gonna have Abhi give you a demo of the software. Abhi Devedi, who created the software, and he's gonna walk you through and tell you exactly how everything works. So let's go into my account, okay? And I'm already logged in. So once you come in here, you're going to see your dashboard. And your dashboard, and again, Abhi's gonna do a full demo for you, so you can actually learn how to use it by watching it. But I'm just gonna give you a quick tour first. So once you log in, you're gonna come to your dashboard, and your AI fleet is where you're going to have all your agents, okay? This is one agent that I already have set up. So if I click on Emily, okay, I have the name Emily, and this is her strategic objective. And you just basically put in here what you want your agent to do. So her job is to systematically identify, analyze, and extract high-performing content patterns from YouTube in order to uncover profitable trends, viral hooks, and monetization opportunities. Then translate those insights into actionable strategies that drive traffic, leads, and revenue across digital campaigns. Okay, so Emily was created for me. I created Emily for YouTube research and monetization research. Okay, and then you decide which AI you want to connect it with. We have OpenClaw, NanoClaw, PicoClaw, NanoBot, Mimu, KiwiClaw, OpenCode, NullClaw, ZeroClaw, OpenFang, MoltWorker, Super AGI, anything LLM, and Claude Code, and they're going to be adding more all the time. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard, and if we want to create a new agent, we just click Deploy New Agent, and we just give it a name, a strategic objective, and then choose which bot type you want to use, and then click Next Step. Now, I'm not going to go through this process because Abhi's actually going to do this for you and show you exactly, because he's the creator, so he's going to have he'll be able to explain it better how to use it and what you get out of it. So, going back to the dashboard, we click on Settings. Under Settings, this is your profile. Okay, you can change your password here if you want to, if you need to, and then your privacy settings are right here. Account management is here, and any upgrades that you have will be accessed here. Now, you will not have upgrades unless you pick any of the OTOs, or if you choose the bundle deal, which you can access on the bonus page. I'll show that in a second. You can actually get everything in one shot. Okay, so as far as upgrades go, we got agency rebranding, done for you courses, articles, Business Finder, all these here you have as part of your upgrades, and I'll walk you through those on the bonus page. Let's go ahead real quick and have Abby show you a demo of the software. And once Abby gets back, we're going to go to the sales page, she can look that over, and then we'll go over more specifics about the funnel, including the front end, the OTOs, and how you can get access to everything and a discount by purchasing the bundle deal by clicking the link in the description. So let's go ahead and do that demo, and we'll be right back.
Alright, welcome to InstantlyClaw. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can use InstantlyClaw to install OpenClaw and any of its tons of different variants without buying a Mac Mini, without buying a server, without buying, Docker, AWS, or any complicated thing, all in just a few clicks. That's all it takes, and you don't even need your own API keys. You don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to pay for Anthropic or OpenAI key or any LLM key to use OpenClaw using InstantlyClaw. So once you're on the dashboard, you can see all the instances that you have created. If you want to set up a new agent, what you do is click on new agent, you give it a basic information, like I want to call my agent Anna, you're a lead gen specialist. I'm gonna give it a description of what Anna is, and then I can pick from all these different. I can install OpenClaw, NanoClaw, PicoClaw, Nanobot, Mimu, KimiClaw, OpenCode, Claude Code, Anytime LLM, Super, AGI, Mold Workers, OpenFang, ZeroClaw, NullClaw, tons of different variations of OpenClaws that I can install, and we're adding more every day as they get released, as people build new versions. For this demonstration, we're going to stick with OpenClaw. Now, OpenClaw is the most stable and most solid, most tested version of AI agentic platform. So we're going to use OpenClaw. We're going to click on next. We're going to use our preloaded LLM API included in the package. If you want to use your custom, you can do that. You can use Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Mistral, Meta, XAI, DeepSeek, Cohort, Gork, whichever you want to use, you can use that. For demonstration, we're going to stick with the one that comes preload. Now, you don't have to pay for it, and there are no credit system involved in this as well. So let's go to next step. Now I can connect my agent with Telegram, WhatsApp, web widgets, or Slack, and of course you can also add Discord and other platforms as well once your agent is set up. For the demonstration, I'm going to skip it for now. Click next. Now I can install a bunch of these skills automatically. We have AI skills, development skills, we have lead generation skills, LinkedIn tools, marketing skills, tons of marketing skills, more marketing and business, productivity, sales, CRM, web automation, and we're adding tons of new skills every day, every single day. Now I can select all, install all these skills, or I can just deselect them and then decide to install these skills later as well if I want to do that. Now next step, I'm going to click on next, and everything is ready. I'm going to just review all the settings and click next. Now as you can see, the agent is in draft, and in the background we have started setting it up. Now in just a few seconds, your agent will be set up, live, and ready to go. And as you can see, Anna is ready to get started. All we have to do is click on these three dots and click on view agent. Now again, we can edit it, we can stop the agent, we can restart it if there's any problem. We can copy the token. Token is a kind of like a password that you need sometimes when you need to log it into the agent, log it into Anna. So when you click on view agent, sometimes it might ask what your token is. Just copy this token, paste it when you start the agents. So all you have to do is click on view agent, and it gets up and running. And this is how your OpenClaw would look like. Now you can literally have it set up to do anything. We'll have tons of tutorials and YouTube videos inside the InstantlyClaw dashboard for you to learn more about it. We're going to do a lot of trading, but just for the demonstration, let me show you all the cool things Anna can do, the OpenClaw setup can do. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask her to Now, for this demonstration, I'm going to ask Anna, can you use your browser skill to browse Google Maps in Sydney City and find 3 businesses that do not have a website, and then create a website for any one of them, host it on the VPS somewhere, give me a link, create a proposal PDF, write an email draft pitching the website to the business, and show me the PDF hosted on the VPS. Now, you don't have to ask it to host it on the VPS or show your draft. You can literally just ask it to go create all the 3 websites, prepare the proposal PDF, write the email, and send the email to the business. And then you can tell Anna to do this at least 3 times every day for the rest of its life. And it's gonna keep doing this, finding leads, finding businesses, building websites for them, sending it out. Now, it can not only just create websites, but it can do a lot of other things. It can, just find the leads for you. It can call them, it can make reservation. Anything and everything that you can think of automating in your business, you can use OpenClaw AI to do it for you. Alright, so as you can see, it took a little bit of time and then went out there and completed the project. Now, says everything is done, project complete, business, it found this business, this is all the detail, it went out there, set up a demo website for the business, it created this entire website. Now you can tell it to modify it, edit it, add the background videos, whatever you want, but it created this entire website and hosted it on the server. It created this proposal PDF explaining and pitching, total investment 635 AUD, when I set up, hosting renewal 120 a year. All of this is done. And then it also went ahead and set up the email draft for you to use as well, saved locally, ready to customize and send. The email draft is set up here. You can use that, or you can just ask it to go out there and schedule the email and send that email to the business. Found all these 3 businesses, none of them had the website, so you have all of this data. You can have it put all this data on a Google sheet for you to use as well, and it can just automate anything and everything you can think of. This is the power of OpenClaw. There's so much cool stuff that you can do, and we're going to be showing you a lot more in our training. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.
Okay guys, so here we are on the sales page for InstantlyClaw, and as it says here, it says OpenClaw, get OpenClaw, the AI that actually does things, fully set up, secured, and running for you in 60 seconds. Now, I'm not going to spend all my time reading through the sales page. You can actually do that at your leisure by clicking the link in the description, go to my bonus page, and then you can click either of those buttons on there to access the sales page. And I'll explain to you what those 2 buttons are for as we finish this video. So, on my bonus page, if you scroll down, this video that I'm doing right now is going to be right here, and InstantlyClaw is going to be launching on March 31st at 11 a.m. Eastern. There will be a pre-launch webinar at 10 a.m. where Abhi does a full setup live to show exactly how fast and easy it is to get things set up and done. Now, when you're ready to pick up your copy, you have 2 options, and there's actually several options, but there's 2 options to get started. First is the front end, where you pick up the front end product and then go through all the OTOs. Okay. The second, where you can save a lot by getting everything all together, you can actually choose the bundle option to get the whole funnel with the upgrades at a discount. Okay. So depending on what you want to do, and then when you pick up the bundle, I also have a coupon code here for you to get $50 off that price. All right. So, again, these are my bonuses. You've already seen these. This here is Abhi's pre-launch video where he explains what he's going to be doing on the webinar. So, if you can, make sure you get on the webinar. 10 a.m. Eastern on March 31st, and then an hour after that, at 11 a.m. is when the product goes live. Okay. And you can read to the bonus page, read all the details on each of the upgrades here. You got the front end here. You got OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll talk about those in a second. There's a FastPass bundle upgrade. I'll talk to you about how to access that. there's a bundle deal and there's also a mega bundle cart bump. Now, I'll explain to you exactly how all this works by going to a map out of the funnel. So, first of all, should you decide to pick up the front-end product by itself first at $37, you'll get that, and then you'll be offered a FastPass upgrade for $297, which is going to get you OTOs 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, if you get the if you pick up the FastPass bundle, you'll be offered an upgrade for $197 to the Done For You Niche Business Packs, which is technically OTO 1 and $197. If you don't want to get the FastPass, sorry, if you don't get the FastPass or don't want the FastPass, you're going to be offered to get the rest of the OTOs separately. And you'll see how it works as you go through the sales process, okay? Now, if you want to avoid all that mess, avoid all the confusion, and avoid having to get separate things, and just make it easier, and actually make it cheaper on yourself, there is a bundle being offered to get the entire package. That means you're going to get all of this for $317 a year, or with that $50 coupon code, $267 a year. Okay? Now, and again, as you go through the process, you'll be able to go through all the sales pages and read where it was included in each one. So depending upon what your needs are, you can pick and choose your OTOs. Again, if you are serious about your business, you can get the full bundle deal, which is going to include everything, the whole shebang, basically, the whole funnel, all the upgrades, at $317 a year. Okay, it's going to get you your front-end product, it's going to get you all the upgrades, $317 a year. Then you can take $50 off that with the coupon code down to $267 a year. Now, if you pick up the front end and then pick up the FastPass, or if you pick up the bundle deal, you'll also be offered what they call a mega bundle cart bump, which is this right here. You'd be offered this as well at an upgrade of $77 to $97. I believe it's going to be $77 starting out, and then go up to $97 during launch. But that's an upgrade you're offered. So again, front end $37. Pick and choose your upgrades. Okay. Or front end, then FastPass, you get all the OTOs, and then you'll be offered the upgrade to the Done For You Niche Business Packs. Also, you get the FastPass, you'll be offered the Mega Bundle upgrade, the cart bundle. Or again, just get everything all at once by getting the bundle deal, and then you can decide whether or not you want to get the Mega Bundle upgrade or not. So again, the bundle deal is going to be your best option, your best deal to get everything all at once. And again, like I said, you pick up that bundle, it's $317 a year. I've got a $50 coupon code for you on my page here. Knocks down to $267 a year. And then if you want to, you can pick up that additional mega bundle cart bump, which will be offered between $77 and $97, which is going to get you your 4 live VIP training calls, your private VIP community, 500 plus prompt vault, and a Done For You client onboarding system. Okay, all of that in addition. So a lot of value here, guys. So if you really wanted to get into OpenClaw for your business, this is the easiest way to do it. All right. So with that, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, a comment, and a share if you can. And with that, thank you very much for watching my InstantlyClaw review.